That is why at AZUD, we always recommend in these cases, in this specific application, the disk filtration technology, where we can also supply a skid mounting solution. It is a plug and play, which helps to for installation labors. The skid includes a control unit, a PLC Siemens. It could include the feed pump in case if it's a side stream filtration, isolation valves. So you will save a lot of trouble during the installation of the equipment. Also, in disk filtration solutions, we have this exclusive air-assisted backflush that helps the efficient cleaning of the media filter, and also has 80% less water consumption than traditional backflush for disk, and even more for other technologies. So this type of solutions, as I said, have a reduction in chemical reagents consumption, provides reliability, as we're talking about a physical barrier. We will have reductions in maintenance. Your main components have extended lifespan. And of course, at the end, you have energy consumption savings.